This is my 1950s chamber stove Model C, and if you've ever wondered how it works, let's get into it. First up is the broiler and griddle. It adjusts and goes up and down, and I light it with a match because it does not have a pilot light for the broiler. The gas is adjustable at the handle, so I can turn it up and down to control the heat. The griddle tray is removable, and there are several different models that you can get with the accessories. The chamber stove came with a bunch of accessories. I have a small example of them. The stove came with a drip tray. This catches any grease or food that falls down from the griddle top. All the grease in the broiler is caught in the grooves of the broiler trays, and I take those out and clean them. This stove only comes with 3 burners, and in the middle of the 3 burners, there is a pilot light, and this pilot light will ignite each one of the burners. There's pipes called flash tubes that travel the gas to the pilot light back up to the daisy burners. Now in the back here, it is kind of another burner, but it's a well, so the burner is in the bottom. This is all insulated. It is insulated with asbestos. Obviously I don't touch it because it's inside the stove, so it's not a danger to me. And inside the bottom here is the burner. Now this daisy burner doesn't get used anywhere near as much as the rest of them, so it's a good example of what the burners all used to look like. This is a ceramic coating. It's made out of glass, and as you can see, after years of heating and cooling, the original finish is damaged on the rest of the burners. I can get them refinished, I just haven't done it yet. This is how to adjust the gas on this, and it has its own separate pilot light, but I do keep this pilot light off, and I just light this by hand as I hardly use it. I would say I only use it a few times a month, depending on what I'm cooking. The well is advertised to better make ice cream because you can put ice in here, and it's very well insulated for that. And you can also make yogurt and do some fermenting food in there. I do really like the well, I just don't use it that much. The griddle pan is completely removable, and I can take it to the sink to wash it. I don't use any harsh chemicals on it to wash it, or else it will react. This is a aluminum and magnesium mix, and it can react to oven cleaners, so I just use baking soda and soap to clean it in the sink. The burner rings, drip trays, and burners are easily removable and can be taken to the sink to clean with soap and water, and I can easily just hook them back up. They just slide in and reconnect. This is the flash tube right here, and I'm putting the burners back together. It's so easy to clean. I have a lot of comments on people saying it must be hard to clean. It is extremely easy to wipe down, take all these pieces to the sink, and put them in soap and water. Now going on to the oven. The oven is quite a smaller size compared to a standard modern oven, but I find that I have no issue with cooking anything in it. It goes all the way back, so it's quite a long oven.